Good morning, friends. In last session, we have started this topic 9.4, that is properties of soil. We have seen something basic of the percolation rate of water in soil. In this, we have taken two examples to understand this percolation rate. One is our floor, okay, simply our floor of our home, and another one is Ucha road, okay, or simply outside of our. So let's try to understand this topic with this activity 9.4. For this activity, divide yourself into three teams. Name the teams A, B, and C. Okay, that's simply talking about class. You will be finding out how fast the water passes down the soil. You will need a hollow cylinder or a pipe. Ensure that each team uses pipes of the same diameter. Some suggestions for obtaining such a pipe are given below. If possible, get a small tin can and cut off its bottom. So simply we can say we are just reusing the tin. Okay. If PVC pipe approx diameter 5 centimeter is available, cut it into 20 centimeter long pieces and use them. At the place where you collect the soil, place the pipe about 2 centimeter deep in the ground, pour 200 milliliter water, okay, ml simply, ml water in the pipe slowly, okay, or gradually. For measuring 200 ml water, you can use any empty 200 ml bottle. See, in this figure 9.5, you are given the way, okay, or simply example that how you have to do this activity. The time when you start pouring water, when all the water is percolated, leaving the pipe empty, note the time again. Okay, just time difference. Be careful not to let the water spill over the rundown on the outside of the pipe while pouring. Calculate the rate of percolation by using the following formula. Okay. See, here we have amount of water simply, and it is 200 ml. Percolation time. Okay, we will. If we are just performing this activity, then we can note the time. Okay, both of the time. Yes, whenever we are starting, whenever we are completing. So percolation rate ml per minute equals to amount of water in ml per percolation time in minute. For example, suppose that for a certain sample, it took 20 minutes for 200 ml to percolate. So, rate of percolation equals to 200 ml upon 20 minutes, and that is 10 ml per minute. Okay. Calculate the rate of percolation in your soil sample. Compare your findings with others and arrange the soil samples in the increasing order of rate of percolation. Okay, so if you will observe, then there must be some difference in the percolation order of all of the three teams. Okay, here we have taken A, B, and C. So, okay, so it is simply depend on the soil nature, we can say. Now next topic is topic 9.5, that is moisture in soil. Okay. Have you ever passed through a farmland during a hot summer day? Perhaps you notice that the air above the land is shimmering. Okay. So simply it is that it is quite hot. Okay. Why is it so? Try out this activity and find the answer. Take a boiling tube. Activity 9.5, you are given that take a boiling tube, put 2 spoonfuls of a soil sample in it, as you are given in this figure 9.6. Okay. Here they are taken soil samples. Heat it on a flame and observe it. Let us find out what happens upon heating. Do you see water drops anywhere? If yes, where did you find them? Simply, you will not find in starting. Okay, simply we can say. Do you see water drops anywhere? Where did you find them? On heating, water in the soil evaporates, moves up and condenses on the cooler inner walls of the upper part of the boiling tube. Okay, so simply whatever the drops we can see here, okay, at the walls of the boiling tube, okay, at the wall of boiling tube, it is moisture particle only. Okay, so it is being evaporated whenever we are applying some heat with the help of this burner to the soil sample. On a hot summer day, the vapor coming out of the soil reflect the sunlight, and the air above the soil seems to shimmer. After heating the soil, take it out of the tube, compare it with the soil which has not been heated. Note the difference between the two. Okay, so in difference you can see that after heating moisture will be not present. Okay, or simply moisture will be absent. Okay, and before heating some moisture will be there inside the in the soil simply. So that's it for today. In next session, we will discuss about this absorption of water by soil. Okay, this topic number 9.6. That's it for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day to all of you.